What's good YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. JD here with yet another video for you guys. The Patta Air Max 1, the first colorways that released a few months ago, was a real breath of fresh air and brought a lot of life back into the Air Max 1 model. The first three colorways have already been a huge hit, and in this video I'll be getting into the fourth installment of the Patta Air Max 1. I will be reviewing the Patta Air Max 1 in the black and white colorway. So what's good fam, welcome back to the channel. Shout out to all of you. Hope you guys already watched my last video, which was the top 10 sneakers of the year. The Patta Air Max 1 definitely featured on that list. Shout out if you've already seen the video. If you are new on the channel, my name is Josh and I do sneaker reviews and all kinds of other sneaker content. If you are into that, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out, and I have seen the analytics. Most of you guys watching my videos aren't even subscribed to the channel. It really helps me out. Just hit that red button. So in this video, I'll be breaking down this fourth colorway of the Patta Air Max 1. I'll talk about what makes this shoe different than the first three pairs, not just the colorway. I get into the quality of this sneaker, the sizing. We'll also look at what these are going for on the resale market right now. And as always, I will be giving you that on-feet look, so make sure you stick around until the end of this video. So here it is, the Patta Air Max 1 black and white. These sneakers first released on the Patta website on December the 10th. So I've been waiting literally a week and a half to finally get these in hand. For some reason, the shipping took a really long time. They also released on the Nike sneakers app the following week, and to my knowledge they won't be releasing anywhere else. So just like the berry pairs, both of these pairs seem to have released only on Patta and sneakers, making these colorways a bit more limited than the first two. Now we have known for a while that we would be getting a black colorway of this model. However, a lot of people thought we would initially be getting this mock-up you see right here, which simply has a black mudguard and the rest of the model looks pretty much like the first two colorways. Instead, the color blocking on this pair is much more similar to the dark maroon pair. The one major difference being that the swoosh on this pair is done in a contrasting white color, which is something I wish they did on the maroon pair as well. I know that it does have that outline of the silver, but I just feel like the swoosh should have been in a different color just to make it stand out a little more. That contrasting swoosh really does pop. I'm happy they did that. But let's get into these sneakers. Of course, we get the same box that we've seen on the first three pairs, this customized Patta box that says Team Patta on the front, a Surinamese phrase Lobi Libby, which means love life. This bracelet, I'm not a big fan of how it looks on the shoe, and it's also a bit too big to actually wear as a bracelet on your wrist. However, it does look pretty good as a necklace. You can like combine a couple of them, just throw them around your neck, you know. I actually think that's a better look. And getting into these sneakers, so the one major difference between this pair and the first three has to be the materials used on this shoe. The black panels of this sneaker are done in a synthetic leather. The leather used on the mudguard is different than the leather on the side panels. You can see that it is a lot shinier. I guess it's a different type of synthetic leather. I'm not exactly sure what to call it. It's definitely shinier, and it also feels different. It makes like a squeaky noise when you rub your finger on it. Like, I'll put it near my mic. JD ASMR channel on the way. To be honest, I wish they kind of gave us the nice smooth leather that we saw on the maroon pair. I wish we had that same leather on the black pair. I'm not saying these are bad materials. I guess I just have a personal preference for real leather over synthetic. Yeah, because this leather is just so nice and smooth. It would have been nice to see that in black as well. Let me know down in the comments if you guys agree. This colorway goes very hard and it's a very classic looking pair. Love the contrasting white swoosh as well, and I think those metallic silver hits on the toe box just also contrast really well with the black panels. You also get that very nice aged looking midsole. And of course, with these black laces, you also get these really nice cream laces that match the midsole, and personally, I would prefer to wear these laces. Yeah, I will say I'm very happy to complete the pack. If I were to rank the colorways, I still think this Monarch pair for me is my favorite colorway out of the three, followed by the Aquas, simply because I just like the color blocking better on these two. The blacks would go third, and yeah, of course the berries go at the bottom. Let me know down in the comments which was your favorite colorway out of the four. For sizing on these, if you've never worn a pair of Air Max 1s before, for me they definitely go perfect, true to size. Whatever your size is in a Jordan 1 or a Nike Dunk, it will fit the same in your Air Max 1s. Let's look at prices right now. So prices on this pair are going for slightly lower than the original Monarch and Aqua colorways, but they are going for much higher than the dark maroon pairs, which after, you know, giving you my rankings of the 4 colorways, yeah, it totally makes sense why the prices are where they are. I do not see the prices of these dropping. This is a very clean colorway after all. And because this pair was more limited than the first two, that makes it even less likely that the prices are going to drop. So if you do want to add this pair to the collection, I do think now would probably be your best time. Most people who order this pair from the Patta website have already gotten their pairs in hand, so I don't see these prices dropping much further from here. Overall, the Patta Air Max 1 in the black and white colorway, are these a cop or a drop? An ultra clean colorway, a very versatile pair of sneakers. If I could describe this colorway in one word, I would say these are tough. It's just a colorway preference at this point. You might want to collect all 4 pairs. For me, I definitely prefer the first 2 better, but if you love these black ones, man, definitely go ahead. These are a cop. Let me know down in the comments your overall thoughts on the Air Max 1 Patta Black and White. Once again, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, dropping a ton more content, and 2022 is going to be even bigger. Also, I haven't promoted this much on here, but I recently started doing a bit more content over on TikTok. Give me a follow on there as well. It is at JD Kicks. The on feed about to drop right now. Thank you guys so much for messing with the content and for supporting the channel, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.